Learning with GBA Episode 1, Brand Strategy. Hi, welcome to the Global Brand Academy's Learning with GBA. My name is Dr. 𝗲𝗎𝗋 and I am the Chief Experience Officer of the Brand Theatre Worldwide and the Head Brand Coach of the Global Brand Academy. I've been ranked number 2 in the world as a global brand thought leader, and I've also written 8 best-selling books on branding. Over the past 24 years, I've worked in multiple organizations and I've seen some typical brand challenges. Let me share a story with you. I remember going to a networking event and meeting a guy, and he comes up to me with his name card, hands it over to me. I look at it, and on the name card, it says this. It said, real estate agent, financial planner, business advisor, and interior designer. I was a little bit confused. And I looked at him, I said, what do you do? He goes, well, it's all the services. If you need financial consulting, I'm here to help you. If you need your house designed, I'm here to help you. And that was the fundamental problem with this entrepreneur. I asked him how business was, and he hung his head and he replied hesitantly, okay. So here is what I said to him. You need to have focus when it comes to branding. You need to have a clear brand strategy. You need to know what your brand stands for and what it represents. And the same thing applies not just to entrepreneurs, but to brands all over the world. The same thing applies. What is your brand focus? What do you stand for? What do you represent? If I think about your brand, will I be able to articulate that brand easily? So brands that I face always have this challenge. How do I position my brand, my services, my products? How do I efficiently and effectively get my brand out there? In every organization, a clear brand strategy is a must and it needs to be in place. According to Gartner, brand strategy is the #1 priority for brands today. The study shows that 33% of CMOs are putting brand strategy as their top priority now, as the pandemic has highlighted the challenge of brands when it comes to presenting themselves and communicating with their customers. The key to solving these challenges is to have an impactful brand strategy that can overcome business challenges, help you outlast competition, and withstand any crisis because your brand is so strong. It also is going to help you stand out in a cluttered marketplace. I'm excited to share our signature brand strategy mastery program. In this program, I will teach you to articulate the value of your brand, the benefits of your brand, your value proposition. I will teach you how to utilize your brand and how do you strategically position it from a competitive perspective. I will help you hone your brand positioning and messaging. I will help you create an impactful brand personality that will give your brand an advantage in differentiating itself from competition. Global Brand Academy's program on brand strategy covers all these core competencies and more for brands to stand out in today's marketplace. This course is for branding professionals, marketeers, organizations excited to apply key learning outcomes, such as learning how to understand brand strategy and how to apply it, learning about proven strategies that we have used over the past 24 years, learning about the power of brand positioning and messaging across your key touch points, online, offline. And I'm going to give you access to some of our top strategy templates that we have used over the past 24 years. Not only that, you are going to get advice from one of the top brand consultants in the world to help you with your brand. So the Brand Strategy Mastery Training Program will help you build your own powerful and winning brand that will stand out in the competition. Some of our clients that have benefited from these programs include OCBC, Gyoco Land, Singapore government agencies such as MCYS, the Singapore Air Force, and many, many more. We run the program in the form of keynotes, workshops, boot camps, virtual or in person. Every program is customized so that you get maximum value in each session. So if you're an organization, or a department, or a team, or someone who manages products and services, or an entrepreneur, this program is for you. For inquiries, visit our website or social pages. Links are in the bio. My name is Dr. 𝗵𝗔𝗋𝗋 and this is Learning with GBA.